celebrate our Founders Day and showcase the rainbow spectrum of our vibrant Indian culture. We have with us our ex-Navrashnites recollecting their bygone days at Navrashna. So let me take you down to memory lane with them.
नमस्कार, अभिनंदन है आपका सेलिब्रेशन में हमारे। जहाँ ज्ञान की गंगा है तो मनोरंजन का सागर। वर्चुअल स्टेज है पर तड़का है दिल का।
Vanakkam. Absolutely. Though we are evolving with this changing times, with this distance learning, we have not lost our essence of education that rests upon the pillars of inclusive and holistic development. We have successfully woven the strands of multiple disciplines to drive our ideas into actions.
नमस्कार, शौक भालो, ये तुम्हारे जानी Navrachna's visionary founder, Srimati Savita Ben's birth anniversary celebration echoes our sentiment. Today's virtual celebration highlights the comprehensive spirit in our teaching learning process through the Art Integrated Project.
શું વાત કરી છે મારી બેન, તમે તમારા મનની વાત છીની. Truly, Navrachna's ever-growing shrubs of innovative practices have empowered its students to spread their wings globally while being deeply rooted in our eternal Indian culture. Our new education policy talks the same, feeling so proud.
सत्यवचन सश्री अकाल जी कुड़ियो किताबी कीड़ो सीरियस टॉक हो गए। इतने दिन बाद मिले हो, कुछ और बातें शाते कर लो। मुझे भी याद है का, मैंने भी कोई ऑनलाइन क्लास नहीं ली है, लेकिन मुझे याद है का अपने स्कूल का बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट, वो डाइनिंग हॉल, 10 थेपले, 8 बर्गर, ते 12 इडली, भेल, और वो आम तोड़ने के चक्कर में आज भी मेरा एक जूता उस मैंगो ट्री की शान है।
कंट्रोल जसप्रीति कंट्रोल, पंजाब નું પુત્ર पेट भराई गयो। मुझे आज भी वो गाना याद है जो हम फाउंडर्स डे पे श्रीमती सविता बेन के लिए गाते थे।
वडोदरा शहर की एक कर्मठ महिला, एक महान शिक्षाविद, दूरदृष्टिवेत्ता श्रीमती सविता बेन अमीन, जिन्होंने नवरचना के रूप में वडोदरा को शिक्षा की धरातल पर एक खूबसूरत आयाम दिया और जिसे NES ने आगे बढ़ाया। नवरचना एजुकेशन सोसाइटी वडोदरा में वर्ड के वृक्ष की तरह अपनी अनगिनत शाखाओं से समाज के हर वर्ग को शिक्षा देने का कार्य बखूबी करती आ रही है। नवरचना समा CBSE बोर्ड, नवप्रेरणा एफिलिएटेड विद NIOS, विद्यानी विद्यालय गुजरात बोर्ड, NISV इंटरनेशनल एंड CBSE बोर्ड, नवरचना यूनिवर्सिटी नव कौशल्या बुनियादी शिक्षा के लिए यानी NES वडोदरा में एजुकेशन का नंबर 1 सेंटर बन चुकी है। Our motto is fostering the spirit of excellence। तो आइए आदरणीय सविता बेन को श्रद्धा सुमन अर्पित करें।
Hail to you, Savita Ben. Hail to you forever. Blessings and bright renown be yours forever. Immortal will be your words and deeds. Navrachna will cherish. We promise to keep our word. Your dreams will never perish. You have been a source of strength and a guiding light. to you, Savita Ben. Here to you forever. Blessings and bright renown be yours forever. Be yours forever. Be yours forever.
अरे शो आगे बढ़ाओ.
Okay, okay, okay. We are Bharat, the land of a myriad of cultures, a melting pot of diversity, the epitome of unity and humanity. India, the cradle of human race, the fountainhead of spiritual pursuit, the mother of visionaries. So friends, it's showtime now. Let's unfold the Art Integration Project, a dynamic endeavor by our students and teachers who over the span of a month and a half through endless brainstorming, virtual discourses and research created this project, appeal to Indian culture.
We showcase the confluence of some explored and less explored facets of India. It is the very essence of our students' meticulous research work. With the sound of gushing water and vibrancy of the saffron, the rise of azan and an unfathomable calling, protected by the sacrifice of our martyrs, Kashmir is indeed heaven on earth. Himachal Pradesh, situated in the lap of Mother Nature, embellished with babbling rivers, meandering valleys, along with winding passes and majestic mountains. This hub of Buddhism offers the ultimate spiritual experience. The beautiful state is where the 5 rivers commune. It boasts of organizing the beating retreat at the Wagah border. Its vibrant side is reflected in its celebration of Baisakhi. The state of Uttar Pradesh reflects diversity in its true form. Uttar Pradesh gives you a glimpse of the sages alongside Nawabi culture, a spirit of freedom fighters, Buddha's liberation and salvation. The beating heart of the nation and the home to vivid architecture featuring the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid. Coexisting with them is the Akshardham temple, the home of the brave and the mighty Jats. Be it Kapil Dev, Virendra Sehwag or Saina Nehwal, the state has given mighty achievers in the field of sports.
Welcome to Eastern India.
Welcome to Arunachal Pradesh, the land of rising sun. Let us move on to the amazing Assam.
নমস্কাৰ আজি মই আপোনালোকক ঘৰ উত্তৰ পূৰ্বাঞ্চলৰ ৰাজ্য অসমলৈ লৈ যাম
Dol, Vishnudol and Devidol. It is located in the center of Sagar in the Indian state of Assam.
The dynasty of Assam was founded by the Thai Price Prince Shalom Sukhafa, who entered the Brahmaputra Valley in 1228.
India. Assam tea is very much popular in India and all across the world. It has a unique smell and amazing in taste too.
Next up is our marvelous Manipur, famous for its natural beauty. The Kut festival of Chavangkut is one of the most celebrated festivals of Manipur. The impeccable traditional paintings of Manipur are pleasing to the eye. Let's hop on to awesome Odisha, the soul of India. The beautiful sand art keeps people connected to nature. The Rangbati song in Odisha is an endless journey. Look closer. Behind these Pattachitra style mukhas are their amazing artists.
নমস্কার, কেমন আছো? সব ভালো?
Moving up, we have the wonderful West Bengal. Here, we see art coming to life on ground.
Niketan School. Shantiniketan was a dream of Maharishi Devendranath Tagore that was later on nurtured and practically constructed.
Temple, the walls are richly decorated with terracotta carvings with the aspect of Lord Krishna's life. The temple was built by Durjana Singh Dev.
The Khajuraho temple is one of the most important specimens of the Indian art. The majestic Gwalior fort is one of the most impenetrable forts in the entire country. The Sanchi Stupa is one of a kind structures in India.
जय जोहार, आप सब मन कैसे हैं? आज के दिन हम तो मन के कैसे जाते? उम्मीद है कि आप सब मन मजा में हुए।
The Dhokra art or the bell metal art is one of the most important forms of arts found in Chhattisgarh. The artifacts are mainly human or animal figurines. The land of Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra, is the land of scenic sites and holy temples like Siddhivinayak Temple and Shirdi Sai Baba Temple. The gateway of India is the ultimate crowd puller. Goa is referred to as the land of beaches and churches. The Goa Carnival is a 4-day carnival and it's all about dancing on the streets. Vehicles festooned with flowers and features people's faces covered with masks and the crowning of King Momo. Rajasthan's forts and palaces stand strong even today and speak of a glorious past.
લાખો ડગલો મૂછો વાકડી તીરે પાઘડી રાતી બોલ બોલ તો તોલી તલી ઉછેલ છબેલો ગુજરાતી વછેલ છબેલો ગુજરાતી અને જ્યાં જ્યાં વસે ગુજરાતી ત્યાં ત્યાં સદાકાળ ગુજરાત અરે ભાઈ સદાકાળ ગુજરાત તા થૈયા થૈયા તા થઈ.
The Somnath Temple, the Modhera Sun Temple and the Dwarkadish Temple are most important pilgrimage and important tourist sites of India. The Statue of Unity is a 182-meter colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel.
നമസ്കാരം. ദൈവത്തിന്റെ സ്വർണ്ണരാജ്യത്തിൽ ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. നമസ്തേ. വെൽക്കം ടു ഗോഡ്സ് ഓൺ കൺട്രി.
Boat race with a 100 to 130 feet long boat and 100 to 150 people sitting inside it and moving the boat in a synchronization. It's an amazing view to see.
A kingdom of cleanliness, truth and purity. A kingdom of equality and freedom from poverty. A kingdom of coconuts, bananas and palms. A kingdom of peace, tranquility and calm. A kingdom that rises above all odds, Kerala, the country of God.
Bonjour, madame et monsieur. Bienvenue à Pondicherry. Vanakkam. Puducherry Ankala. Varavar Kiradu. French, Tamil, French. I wonder, where am I? Oh, I'm in Puducherry. Karnataka stretches from Belgaum in north to Mangalore in south. Karnataka is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the country.
Vanakkam. Today I welcome you all to Tamil Nadu, the land of ancient temples.
Elegant and ethnic, Kanchipuram sarees makes you look perfect in all occasions. These are pure silk sarees from Tamil Nadu.
ओह सॉरी, ये बिना परमिशन के एंट्री लेने के लिए। पर अब मैं करूं क्या, मेरी बात ही इतनी हटके है। Vishwamitra, one of the most venerated sages of ancient India, is said to have authored the Gayatri Mantra, a verse from a sutta of Rigveda, and it is called the Savitri Mantra too. Now, interestingly, in mythology, it was on the banks of the river Vishwamitri that Vishwamitra was elevated as a Brahmarshi after reciting the Gayatri Mantra. Interesting ना? कितने गर्व की बात है that the Gayatri Mantra was originated in our city Vadodara. Continue.
तो दोस्तों, जरा दिल थाम के, सीट बेल्ट बांध के, आंखें पूरी खोल के ताकि कुछ मिस ना हो जाए। अब आ रहे हैं हमारे आज के प्रोग्राम के शो स्टॉपर्स, the dances of India. We present to you with applause glimpses of a year-long virtual cultural activities. तो कहीं पंजाब से भांगड़ा, असम से बिहू, भरतनाट्यम की धारधड़ी, कथक के तोड़े, राजस्थान से घूमर, कश्मीर से घूमरो, गुजरात में गरबो आ रहा, तो चलिए देखते हैं।
ফুলে ফুলে বসে প্রজাপতির ভাবীরতি ফুলে ফুলে বসে প্রজাপতির ভাবীরতি চুমি চুমি তার যাଉଛି দিন দিনে দেখুছি সে কেতে সপন সববেলে পাশে রহিবি বলি খুঁজি বুলুছি সে সাগর জলি
তুমি
थका बांधा है ये गुम 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 रे गुम
विनोदिनि नन्दिनुते गिरिवरविन्द्य शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति हेशितिकण्ठ कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते प्रवरवर्षिणि दुरधरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषर
तद्मित किट तक जंत जगत तुंग दुर्गुड़ जगणंत दुर्गुड़ जग 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 किणनंत तगणं तक तकरुं तक तक जम तक किट तक तक जम तकणं तकुंद किट तक तकिट तकिट दिमित दिमित किट तक धा तहि तत्तत्त रा 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 रा
जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति हो श्री
flutter of tadkas, the fresh blend of spices, and the rich ingredients. From the medicine
traditional kava of Kashmir to the sweet, tangy farsan of Gujarat, from the lassi, chole kulche and tandoori paneer of Punjab to the wholesome idli sambar of South India, we bring before you the lazadar zaika of traditional Indian gastronomy.
The food talk of Himachal Pradesh cannot be completed without including the famous dish called Dubey, a spicy lotus stem. One of the famous foods of Himachal Pradesh is chana madra. It is a yogurt-based curry rich in vitamins, minerals, protein, fiber, and it helps fight diseases.
Distinctive taste with its signature aroma in it. Hinkashu is a local dish made up of colocasia, cabbage, mustard leaves, and beef.
Cuisine can be divided into three distinctive styles: Garo, Khasi, and Jaitia. The most famous dishes of Meghalaya are Joko, Dokle, bamboo shoots, and momos.
India, another tradition of food culture. Most of the tribal and traditional food are made of rice. ગુજરાતમાં આવો અને ફાફડા, જલેબી, ઊંધિયું, ખાખરા, થેપલા, ખાંડવી, ખમણ, ઢોકળા, પાત્રા અને દાળ ઢોકળી ખાતા.
Cuisine of Rajasthan insisted of such food that could be stocked up without heating. However, this was out of obligation than choice. Another influence on Rajasthani food was due to the geographical location.
Manathu! Mr. Brasam has aromatic and flavorful recipe from Tamil Nadu. It has ingredients that have intense digestive properties, so it can lighten your tummy. So go, get up, have some rasam and clear your system. Food is gold if made with a pure soul. The flavors of Tamil Nadu are bold. The preparation of the local pride. The world famous idli sambar shall be told. Because what better way than idli sambar to start the day? Whenever you think of Tamil Nadu, the first thing that comes to mind is dosa. Traditionally, dosas are served hot along with chutney.
Hello, my name is Dhruti and today I and my friends are going to give you information about the food and cuisine of Kerala. Kerala's cuisine offers a multitude of both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes. As you all know, Kerala has a great variety of seafood cooked like prawn curry, spicy garlic prawn, etc.
Oh no! Recording being done. Oh my god. Okay. So it's Dudhi ka pura for dinner today. Yay!
दोस्तों, आप सब जानते हैं कोरोना वायरस की वजह से स्कूल की बिल्डिंग मार्च 2020 से बंद हो गई। सभी बच्चे, टीचर्स घरों में सिमट गए, पर स्कूल की आत्मा ने अपने बच्चों को बुला ही लिया और स्कूल क्वाड्रेंगल एक बार फिर से गूंज उठा बच्चों की खिलखिलाहट से और विटनेस बना एक ऐसे मेस्मराइजिंग डांस का जिसमें जोश है देशभक्ति का, हौसला है जीत का, बुलंदी है सरफरोशी की और खुशी है फिर से स्कूल में मिलने की। सो लेट्स बिगिन।
कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। कांधे पे सूरज टिका के चला तू, हाथों में भर के चला बिजलियां। तूफान भी सोचे जिद तेरी कैसी, ऐसा जुनून है किसी में का। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया, मंजर है ये नया, के उड़ गई है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। मंजर है ये नया, मंजर नया। के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां। तपते थे रस्ते लोहे से बसते, बसतों में तू भर चला आसमां। आएंगी सदियां, जाएंगी सदियां, रह जाएंगे फिर भी तेरे निशान। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े बेधड़क आंधियां। बहता चला तू, उड़ता चला तू, जैसे उड़े आंधियां। के उड़ रही है बेधड़क सी आंधियां।
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा। जुनून की आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा।
जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां। के आया है फतेह करके सूरमा, सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा, 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 सूरमा। जग्गा लिख गया नई कहानी, जग्गा लिख गया। जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया, जग्गा जित्तिया ते मिलन बधाइयां, जग्गा जित्तिया।
Oh wind,
spring be far behind. Students, the veritable lifeblood of our institution, however housebound and masked, remain undaunted by the global crisis, overcoming the challenges of the online medium of instruction, continue to work relentlessly in shaping and reshaping our art-integrated project into an exquisite mosaic of creativity. This newfangled approach to pedagogy has indeed helped our students to go beyond the pen-paper mode of learning to an experiential one.
All subject teachers have collaborated to design the multidisciplinary project with a focus on the diversity of India's culture and heritage, like monuments, cuisines, and art forms. Students, along with their subject teachers, over a period of 2 months, have explored, researched, experienced, and expressed their findings through various media of art like dance, rangoli, cooking, and the use of regional languages.
It has been a challenging and interesting experience for our students and teachers working on this project. In these difficult times, students and teachers have collaborated over the internet to research, learn, and present their learning in the form of this film. The two very important dimensions of the National Education Policy 2020, multidisciplinary learning and connecting students to Indian culture and heritage, is encapsulated so beautifully in this project. I would like to congratulate all our students, teachers, and parents who have worked together so beautifully to create this film.